today is the 15th of July 2023. We have Kurkelankatu 5 here in Kerava, here in the Helsinki region, modernized Finland. This one has 9 floors. It was built in 1999, maybe finished in late 1999. And building 3 was finished in the beginning of 2000, and also January 2000 there, but
yeah.
Here it's 99 still. And the number says 69944, so a bit earlier than the other one.
Yeah.
The capacity is 8 persons or 630 grams, and it's going to be 25 years old in the next year, 2024, when it's going to be inspected again. I like this fan here.
Same. Yeah, expected package maintained by policy.
The store stays stays open a bit longer.
Yeah.
And this one still has the CE599 film techno tag.
Yeah.
Some of them still have it.
Mm.
From the late 1990s.
Yeah. That's